Welcome to SkinAct. Today we are showing you how to assemble a Vera mirror station. We recommend having at least 2 people to build the unit and a handheld screwdriver. The unit also arrives with hardware parts including wheels with and without brakes, long and short head bolts, wooden dowels, all of which can be found in the bottom drawer of your unit along with a user manual for help. Let's begin. First, let's unbox our unit. The station arrives in 5 boxes: lower cabinet, upper cabinet, the base, back panel, and mirror panel. Second, remove the drawers from the cabinets for accessibility. Place the lower cabinet on the base and connect them using the 4 long head bolts and the wooden dowels. Once it is secure, place the unit on its side and attach the wheels to the base using the short bolts. 4 wheels with brakes for the corners and 2 without brakes for the center. Third, remove the drawers of the upper cabinet and place it on top of the upright lower cabinet. Line up the 4 holes with each other and screw in the bolts. Fourth, take the back panel and align its 8 holes with the back edge of the cabinets. From inside the cabinet, screw in the 8 head bolts into the panel. Do the same with the mirror panel on the front side of the cabinets. Run the cable from the mirror through the holes of the cabinets and out from underneath the base. Lastly, attach the handles to the shelves and cabinets using a screwdriver. Place the inner shelves on the collated nails. For the double Vera station, you will need to install 2 mirrors instead of a back panel. Installation is the exact same. Screw in the 8 bolts on both sides of the station. Don't forget to peel off the plastic film on your mirrors. That is how you build a single and double Vera styling station. Thanks for watching.